Hey Raptor riders and e-skate builders. Today I'm not coming live because when I did that yesterday the quality was so bad that you couldn't see anything. So I'm just going to record this like it's live and then just upload it. How about that? So day 3 of packing my garage. Let's get a wide angle. We're not going too bad. I mean, there's a hell of a lot of stuff. One thing that you'll be shocked. See all this? This is a 3 cubic meter bin, and it's a lot of it's actually got stuff in it. I mean, products that were made wrong. There's a whole bunch of grip tape that was cut out wrong. Grip tape with the logo printed wrong. Yeah, that's one of the... Thanks for the banana, mate, but I'm just making a video, so just give me that in a minute. That's one of the things that, if anyone thinking of starting up their own business isn't prepared for, wastage. Wastage is a problem in all businesses, not just e-skate businesses, any business. You always have product which you can't sell and you got to factor it in. How much? I don't know. Probably not like 10% or anything, maybe 1%, but you got to factor it in, guys, so think about that. Anyway, what else do I have to say? Oh, I know what I wanted to say. So anyone watching this who's got a Raptor 2 on order and wondering where the hell it is and why it takes so long, let me explain. This is a point which may not be obvious to everyone, but the Raptor 2, and this is going to be a bit of a tangent, but the Raptor 2 is unlike any electric skateboard on the market. Just recently it got voted the best electric skateboard in 2017, which is great. For me, I mean, it's not that satisfying because my main goal is delivering everyone's order. So that is what's going to satisfy me. But it's nice to get that sort of praise. But the reason why it got that vote is because we've made a skateboard using open source technology. So motor controllers, the Foxbox motor controller, which is based on a VESC motor controller. It's what makes the motor spin. I don't think I got one floating around here. Here's some. These guys. What makes the Raptor so unique is that it's fully programmable. It's the only skateboard on the market that you can go in and control things like the current that goes to the motors, the current that comes out of the battery. You can set the speed limits. You can create throttle curves. There are people in the e-skate game developing apps all the time because it's open source. Everyone can develop for it. And we basically took that and tried to make, or are making, a commercial grade mass production product with it. And that's very complex, very complicated. The other problem with the Raptor 2, I'm very negative, I know, but it's everything in it we designed. We didn't just take OEM motors that are available from any motor supplier and just screw them onto some trucks. We literally designed the motor from the ground up. We made the motor mounts, or the truck. Here's some old motors, but the trucks, we designed them from scratch. We didn't just take, that's our old trucks. That's a perfect example of just taking an existing thing and adapting a motor to it. This, fully custom designed. The motors, I think I packed up all my motors, so I can't actually show you that. But everything we do is custom designed from the ground up. Okay, so it's taken ages to get right, and yeah, it's been a problem. I must admit, if I had my time again, would I do everything custom made? You know what? I probably would still do it. As hard as it makes everything, it's what gives us the edge in the market. Having a system like what we have developed, a battery and motor controller and motor system that can be adapted to other skateboards. You know, making an enclosure. I don't know where the other half of it is. Here it is. Making an enclosure that can, you know, fully seal itself up and be mounted onto other decks is quite unique. No one else is doing that. So yeah, I apologize that things are overdue, and every time I go to bed at night, that's all I think about, how to get the product made quicker and out to people. But it's tough. It's really tough. So the good news is, though, we have been setting up a new production facility. Hey man, stop falling over. My lad here is just falling over everything. And yeah, they're nearly up to speed. There's 26 Raptors going out today, which is great. It's not a lot, but it's just processing through problems. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get back to packing up my my garage. I'll give you a quick look. There's all my shelving disassembled. It's nearly done. It's nearly done. Hello. Anyway, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Hello. Hello. Okay. Bye.